Bonjour et bienvenue sur Melvin Dashcam. Petit disclaimer, je ne prétends pas avoir une conduite parfaite, mais souhaite vous faire part des erreurs que je croise.
Express the same things but with different words. We acknowledge the same curve and those might have hurt. It's like the last line you drew.
Ton stop?
I'm a fast-minded feeling of freedom, please to be recognized. And I get it, your doctor's calling from here to saying kill bias, independency, and oculus eel, cause he armed himself with stealthy mass appeal. Where's my muse? Where's my muse? If it's like every word slipping through my mouth has been used. Stagnant like the old man feet in a dirt. With my glass I've reflected half the things that I've learned. A windowless frame in a transparent room, filling up cracks with plastic assumes. A shape shift, a nuance, a venue. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over. Wreck up your life until you get sober. Don't stop, my friends. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over. Wreck up your life until you get sober. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over, my friend. I risen myself as I walk along the weary moldy watching. I found myself staring, building up an empire. Process takes me higher, higher, and I ain't stopping there. My avalanche of color starts over there. Got the solitary key to go through. Ray and delicious, but traps can be so vicious. Prepare for the ultimate takedown. Over and over and over and over again. Part-time experience might save you from deliverance.